Oh my God.
Yeah. Hey, we're back at the magic location here in Memphis, Tennessee, near Mud Island and the Bass Pro Shops over there. You can see the LED strip on here. It's originally made for FPV quads, but I've put a little battery holder here with an A23 battery that's meant for garage door openers. It's 12 volts and it should give it enough to let this thing light up. You ready? Here we go.
Yes.
There we go.
Okay, that's actually that bright.
Yeah, it's pretty bright, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the Phantom Tron edition. You can see it's got the same LEDs. What I did was I used red ones in the back to give it like a tail light kind of thing. Now, this I hooked up with an actual 4S FPV battery with an XT60 connector up here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, see? It's a little brighter. So you think this will draw attention?
Oh yes.
So let's send you up to the observation deck and mess with people. Just to let you know, these LED lights do not satisfy the FAA's requirement for visibility at 3 statute miles. So you do need a strobe on top, link in the description, but for now, it's still dusk, so we're good. You can fly over roads now, just don't linger. So I'm heading over. So beautiful. Heading straight for the observation deck. Oh, look at that sunset. I know they can see it. Slow down a little bit. Just get close, but not too close. I get a little closer. I don't want anybody to be able to reach out and see and grab it. Now they're taking pictures. I'm a superstar. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now, let me just move it over here and get a nice shot of the sunset and the people. Oh, so beautiful. What a great little drone. The A23 batteries last a while. They won't be as bright as they are in the first 30 minutes. Here comes my little buddy. Something landed in my hand. Oh yeah. How'd it go, James? Did anybody notice?
Just one person.
One person?
That was it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna send the Neon Dream up there and we'll give everybody a tan with the brightness. I'm gonna send it up now.
Okay.
All
Go ahead,
right.
Send it on up.
Okie doke. This is a 4S FPV battery with 14.8 volts. And it will get their attention. Oh Lord. That's bright. Can you see that? I think you can.
Take off.
Little test hover. Oh, it is. That light is really blinding the camera. So that's not ideal. Just want to make sure that the weight is okay. All right. It's a little wonky. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, later on, I'm gonna have to put something here to shade. You see when I put my hand here? It does wash it out with green. I'll have to do that later. So let's head on over. Wow. Yeah, I can see that. Got solid GPS. All right. I know they can see that. Yeah, now I'll just back out. That's enough. I'm gonna come back here. So when I go backwards, it tilts enough to where, yeah, I'm gonna try to fix that greenness. I know they can see it. Not ideal to fly with right now. A few tweaks. Again, you can see the front. You know, just need a hood over the camera. I might need to figure out a new battery situation because it is kind of big. I can get another FPV type, but it is cool to see, isn't it?
Get your super bright LED strips at flyhighfpv.com. Link in the description. They come in 1 meter long segments in a variety of colors, and at only 2.7 millimeters wide, you can use the 3M adhesive to light up anything. Simply cut to fit across the soldering pads, then peel and stick your drone, car, motorcycle, boat, RV, whatever, just like you would pinstriping. The rugged LED strips easily conform to any shape, and you can even join different colors together with a little solder bridge. Then, connect to an external power supply and you've got the coolest drone on the block, no matter how old it is.
Are you ready, James?
Yes, I am ready.
I don't think you're ready. You ready?
I'm ready whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm not ready. Now I'm ready.
He's actually down there, right down there where that squad car is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's the last thing I expected to see.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, here you go.